What's up everyone? Hopefully you like this stop motion video. So basically it's just a time-lapse video, but over here you have more control on your frame rates and on your motion of your object. So to get this done, all you need is just a tripod and your mobile phone or DSLR, whatever you take your pictures with, and you need a remote trigger so you can click the picture without touching your phone or your DSLR or your camera, whatever. And the next step, after taking all the pictures, the next step will be import all those pictures in the Adobe Premiere Pro, and I will show you the next step there. Alright, so before importing anything, we need to make a few changes to our Adobe Premiere Pro. So go to Preferences and then choose Timeline. And now we have to change the still image duration from 100 frames to 2 frames. So that means one single photo will last for 2 frames. And now let's import the files. Alright, so after importing all the files, let's make a new sequence from the timeline and choose any preset. Go to settings. You can change the time base, and you can also change the frame size if you like. And then our timeline is ready to drop our files. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to select the top one, then press shift, and then I will select the bottom one by holding the shift, and I will drop it over the timeline. And our footage are ready. So let me just a little bit zoom in. Okay, let's play and see how it went. Yep. Alright, that's perfect. Okay, so that's all you need to know about to make any stop motion video. And the next, I'll just adjust the photo size and its rotation, and of course I will add the 3D effect, so it will tilt the image and it will look like a straight image. That was it, and save this video in your YouTube playlist. In case you forget the steps, then you can come back and watch the video again.